Good morning, children. I have taught in previous classes 3 chapters. Now I will start the new chapters, chemical kinetics. I hope all will prepare the taught lesson plans. And today I am going to describe the main concepts, main points of the chapter. Main points of the chapter. The rate of reaction may be defined. The rate of a reaction may be defined as the change in any of the reactants or products per unit time. This is called rate of reaction. In the rate of reaction, concentration of reactant decreased and the concentration of product is increased. Now the next point, rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactants. Greater the concentration of reactants, higher is the rate. It means that if the concentration of reactant is high, the reactions takes place fastly. Active mass of substance is the molar concentration, number of moles per liter involved in the reaction. Now, law of mass action. I have given the all main points of the chapters. You will read the main points. You will read the main points, and if you get any problem at any step, I will clear the concept. So I have given the main points of the total chapters. You will learn and read it, and then you ask if you get any difficulties at any step. I have given all the terminology. Now I will start the terms which is being today taught. Chemical kinetics. What is chemical kinetics? Do you know? It is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of the rate of chemical reaction and mechanism by which the reaction occurs. In the chemical kinetics, rate of reaction is studied, mechanism is studied. Now the second point, rate of reaction. It may be defined as the change in concentration of reactant or product in unit time. In per unit time, rate of concentration of reactant changes, that is called rate of reaction. For understanding, example is given. R means reactant, P means product. Rate of reaction is meaning that decrease in concentration of reactant divided by time taken. If any reaction takes place, concentration of reactant decreases and the concentration of product is increased. In the another way, it can be explained, increase in concentration of product divided by time taken. Mathematically, it can be written as like this: rate of reaction is equal to minus delta concentration of R upon delta T is equal to delta concentration of P divided by delta T. Negative sign indicates the concentration is decreasing and positive sign indicates the concentration is negative sign indicates the concentration decreasing and positive sign indicates the concentration of product increasing. It is already written. Units of rate is equal to mole liter inverse second inverse. It can be written in another way, atmospheric second universe. You will see the graph, instantaneous rate of reaction. R is the reactant, P is the product. Graph is seen as like this. This is time coordinate, this is concentration of reactant coordinate. In this graph, this is time coordinate, this is concentration of product coordinate. The graph is seen as like this. Graph बच्चे इसको देखेंगे. Instantaneous reactions is equal to minus differential concentration of R divided by dt is equal to dP by dt. P is the product, T is the time. Now, in chemical kinetics, general expression for rate of reaction, how it can be explained? General expression. Suppose this is a general equation is given a small a capital A plus b is equal to cc dd. This is general equation. That will be written as like this: minus 1 by A delta concentration of A divided by delta T is equal to minus 1 by B delta concentration of B divided by delta T is equal to 1 by C delta C divided by delta T is equal to 1 by D delta D divided by delta T. Meaning is that negative sign indicates the concentration of reactant is decreasing and positive sign indicates the concentration of product is increasing, and that is the coefficient is taken here 1 by A. Reciprocal of coefficient is taken in this equation B 1 by B, that is the reciprocal of B. Here negative is used, meaning is that the concentration of A and B is decreasing. Here the concentration of C and D is positive. It means that the concentration of C and D is increasing. Similarly, that reaction is also written: concentration of A and B is decreasing and concentration of C and D is increasing. Same चीज है. Negative sign is used for the decreasing of concentration and positive sign is used for the increasing of concentration with respect to time. Now come to the next point in chemical kinetics. Very important points is that factors affecting the rate of a chemical reaction. What are the factors which affect the rate of chemical reactions? First point is that nature of reactant. It has been observed in the chemical reaction that ionic substance react more rapidly than the substance of covalent bonds. Meaning is that suppose that ionic substance, sodium chloride is ionic substance, that will takes place, reaction takes place rapidly in comparison to covalent compound as like CH4, CO2. Meaning is that reaction depends upon nature of substance. If ionic substance is taken, reaction takes place fastly. If the covalent bond is taken, covalent substance is taken, reactions go slowly. It depends upon nature. Now the second point which affect the rate of reaction is temperature, concentration of reactant. Concentration of reactant meaning is that if the concentration of reactant is increased, that is directly proportional to reaction. If the more concentration is taken for the reactant, reaction goes fastly. If the less concentration is taken of reactant, reaction goes slowly. Meaning is that is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant is to the rate of reaction. Both are directly proportional to each other. Now come to the next point, temperature. Temperature is also a factor on which the rate of reaction depends. You will see rate of reaction increases with the rise in temperature. What is the meaning? Meaning is that if the temperature increases, the rate of reactions also increases. It is directly proportional to each other. Now, the fourth factor, presence of a catalyst. If any reaction takes place, you will see in the presence of catalyst, the rate of reaction generally increases and the equilibrium state is attained quickly in reversible reaction. You will see with the help of catalyst reactions goes fastly. Positive catalyst increases the rate of reaction and the negative catalyst decreases the rate of reactions. For example, you will see for the preparation of oxygen, MnO2 is the positive catalyst which increases the rate of reaction. Negative catalyst also decrease the rate of reactions. So catalyst is also a factor which affects the rate of reaction. Now the fifth point, surface area of the reactants. If the surface area of reactants is increased, the reaction goes fastly. A smaller the particle size, greater is the surface area. If a particle is powdered, surface area is increased and the reaction goes fastly. If the surface area is less, reaction goes slowly. It means that rate of reaction is directly proportional to the surface area of the reactant. Now the next point is next point is the radiation. Radiation means if any reaction takes place in the presence of light, it gives energy, it takes energy from the sun and the reaction goes fastly. But in the absence of light, meaning is that in the dark position, radiations takes place less and the reaction goes slowly. So radiation is also a factor. In the presence of light, reaction goes fastly and in the absence of light, reactions go slowly. For example, photosynthesis you will also see in the presence of light it takes place. In the dark it does not take place. Photosynthesis of carbohydrates, photography, all the reactions takes place in the presence of light. Meaning is that it is directly proportional to the light. In the absence of light, it goes slowly and does not take part in reaction. So, it is also the factor. Rate law. Now, the next point is the rate law. What is rate law? It is experimentally determined expression which relates the rate of reaction with concentration of reactant. For a hypothetical reaction, A plus B gives product. Rate is mathematically it can be written rate is directly proportional to concentration of A to the power m into concentration of B to the power n. Rate is equal to K. K is the rate constant. A to the power m into B to the power m. If concentration of A and B is taken unity, mole liter inverse, then rate is equal to K. If A or B is taken 1, rate will be equal to K. That is, rate constant may be defined the rate of reactions when the concentration of each reactant in the reaction is unity. That is the rate constant. The rate constant may be defined the rate of reaction when the concentration of each reactant in the reaction is taken unity. That is the basic concept of the rate constant. Now homework दे देगा.